Okay, good morning. This is Coach Jan. We are here again in Villa Feliciana. Yan. So this is our daily routine workout. So there's my partner. He's doing his swimming. I'll show you. Say hi, baby.
Are you live?
I no, not live, but I'm making a video.
That's okay. Hi, everybody.
Yeah.
Greetings, program.
So this is a daily routine workout. Every day we are here. So what is the key? Why we can do this thing?
Because we're
So
manifesting,
look at
baby.
this beautiful flower. Look at those beautiful flowers. So today I'm going to talk about what is the key? Why we're always here every morning? Why is the reason? Why we're doing this? Because
We're manifesting.
we're manifesting.
We're becoming the person we want to be.
Yeah. So be the person that you can be, the best that you can be. So don't dream just only like um having something, but maybe you can dream big, bigger than this, because I know we can, and I know we are. So we are here. I'm gonna talk about that discipline. So actually, by having a body like this and um, doing this thing every day, the key is discipline. If you want something in your life, you must discipline yourself, and we don't have a choice. If you want a good life, a happy, healthy well-being, we need to take care of this body and this mind. So, what is the four kinds of discipline? We have a four kinds of discipline. First of all, be responsible. No one is responsible to yourself, to your body, to your mind, but you. You alone. So you need to be responsible with yourself. Before anything else, be responsible to yourself, because you cannot be responsible to anyone if you are sick, if you are dead, if you are if you cannot even do a single diet that you have to do. Okay, and next is delay gratification. Delay gratification is very big impact in discipline, because if you don't know how to delay gratification, you will not get a reward, because in life there's no shortcut. Every time you want to go up, you need to go step by step, one at a time. And that is including your good mind, good body, good relationship, and everything will be follow. And you will see, when you create this kind of routine, especially delaying gratification, you will find, and you will see yourself in the good situation, because you're creating a valuable body and mind. So create this for yourself. As I always say, love yourself first. So the third discipline is always tell the truth. Sometimes it's hurt, but if you love somebody, or if you care with somebody, sometimes we need to tell them the truth. Um, and being authentic and genuine is like you don't have any more thinking what did you do and what did you say, because if you are authentic and you know that you're saying the truth, it's more life easier. Okay, and the third discipline is balance. Everything we need to put in balance. Your exercise, you need to put in balance. Your diet, you need to put in balance. Your relationship, everything in life should be in balance. But always think, put first things first. And what is first? Yourself. Because you cannot give love. You cannot help anybody if you even cannot help yourself. So that's it. Very easy, but very easy to say, but I know it's it's simple, but not easy. Easy to do, easy not to do. So, what do you have to do? Love yourself first and do this discipline. Okay, so for now, this is time because crowded is coming and getting noisy, and I don't want to record any of their voice because we don't know what they're going to say. So for all of you, thank you all and namaste.